Hey guys, if you thought the Dollar Tree was just filled with tiny decor, think again. Today we are making 5 giant Dollar Tree DIYs using items you can always find in store. And what's more, they're super easy. And the wow factor is huge. So let's jump into it. First up is a giant lollipop. I have always wanted one of these. My neighbor and friend Christine has tons of these in her yard every year, and I got so inspired I had to try my hand at it. And I was even more excited because the Dollar Tree is carrying red and white pool noodles this year.
I knew I was supposed to buy extras of these.
You'll need 3 pool noodles and some Dollar Tree duct tape, which you can find in the automotive section. You'll need red or white, depending on the color of your pool noodle. Take off the pool noodle sticker and add your duct tape at an angle going down the pool noodle, and then gently wrap it around. Now comes the time to hot glue it into a circular shape. This is going to take a little bit of time, and remember, hot glue doesn't stick very well to styrofoam, so you want to focus your energy putting the hot glue right on the tape. Add your hot glue, roll a little bit, and hold. I found it really helpful to add rubber bands to my project as I went in the in-between spaces to help hold it together as it dried. Once you're completely done, take a pair of pliers or a knife and stick it through a few layers of the pool noodle. And then you want to insert a dowel rod. I got mine for less than $1 at Walmart, and I just painted it black. You could also use Dollar Tree broom handles if you wanted to. Once you've inserted your dowel, you're ready to add your cellophane paper, which I also got from the Dollar Tree. I added it on and used a little bit of ribbon I already had to tie it off. And then I helped reinforce it on the back using Dollar Tree packing tape. It's clear, so no one will see it. Whether you want to use it inside or outside, this is such a wow anywhere. I can't wait to make more of these. And you can do it for about $5. Next, we're making this oversized wall scroll. This is such a great holiday DIY. You need Dollar Tree packing paper, just the brown paper. You also need Dollar Tree black paint and a Dollar Tree Sharpie. I think this is one of their most underrated products in store. You don't need to use all of the paper, just a little bit to give it a curl at the top and bottom. And if you don't have a Cricut machine, I just printed out the words that I wanted, and then I went over the back with pencil, set it right onto my paper, and traced around it. And then I could fill in using the Sharpie. I painted the dowel rods black, and then I set it on the floor and I rolled the edges. I helped secure them down using a couple of bobby pins. I stuck my dowel rods through, and then I added some Dollar Tree rope to the top. I also had some extra lamb's ear that I added for embellishment, but you could add anything that you want to. This is such a wow on the wall, and you can make it for under $5 very quickly. Next, I want to talk about beefing up your existing garlands using Dollar Tree products because this creates a giant impact. This year, they had sparkly branches, which are brand new. You get 5 in a pack, and they stick really well inside of garlands. I also added the Dollar Tree bells, which are some of my favorite and so high-end, along with a few ornaments. And the colors I'm choosing for Christmas this year are red, white, and green. Nice, bright, and punchy colors, and this looks so beautiful.
Making a Christmas memory.
Do you like it, Henry?
I like to stay with Christmas. I wish every day would be Christmas.
I think a lot of people share your wish, man. Next are these gorgeous oversized trees. You may remember last year when I used a plunger to create a Christmas tree using the Dollar Tree twisty ties. I would recommend getting them from the Dollar General because they're a lot more high quality than the Dollar Tree, but either way, it looks great. You need about 3 to 4 packs of these. You just want to tie it right around your plunger. I used it as an advent calendar last year, but this year I wanted it to have a slightly different look. So I picked up one of the elf baskets from the Dollar Tree. I cut out the bottom and removed all of the embellishments.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are are the good times.
I spray painted it a gray and then went lightly over it with a black. And I also added some spray paint to the top of my tree in a bright white so it looked like it was frosted with snow. I saw similar trees at Walmart for $20 to $30. This was only a few dollars to make. And then I added some star garland that I already had around it and some twinkle lights. This looks so pretty and is so big considering you can get all the products at the Dollar Tree.
Christmas memories.
Next, I want to talk about easy serving boards. This is one of those staples that is so amazing to have around your house. And making it using Dollar Tree placemats as a stencil is a total game changer. Paint or just dress your board however you want to, and then lay snowflakes or the Dollar Tree poinsettias on top and give it a light coat of spray paint. This is going to create a gorgeous stencil effect that will wow on any tablescape. I absolutely love this one, and we have used it for years and years.
See you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be.
If you enjoyed this video and want more like it, leave it a big thumbs up. That lets me know you want to see more giant Dollar Tree DIYs. I am so grateful you are here. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I truly mean that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I can't wait. Be sure to subscribe so I can see you there. Bye.
Supposed to be making our Christmas memories.
I knew I was supposed to buy extras of these.